Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Dee's Cute and Crafty, and I am back with 3 Target Christmas dupes for you today. I'm super excited to show you these 3 easy dupes. Oh my goodness, so easy to make. So, you guys, let's just get into it. I'm going to start out with this paper towel roll or holder. I have this wood slice from the Dollar Tree. I have this hexagon wood piece from the Dollar Tree, some Dollar Tree ribbon. I have some Christmas balls from Hobby Lobby, some greenery from Hobby Lobby or Joann's. I've got my Waverly White chalk paint, my Americana Santa Red, and I have a piece of scrap MDF board from Dollar Tree left over from Easter. So I'm using the hexagon sign or the stop sign just to trim out the piece that I need onto the MDF. I ended up using the MDF because it was lighter. That hexagon was going to be too heavy to put on that paper towel holder or that paper towel roll. So that's why I had to do it in a material that was lightweight. So I got that all trimmed out. I didn't want to go through the whole process of showing you guys how I cut my MDF because as of late, I've been showing you a lot of videos where I cut my MDF. So I cut out the hexagon sign and I cut out a little circle as well. And I trimmed it out with some masking tape so that I would have a nice crisp edge around that red. I painted the center with the Santa Red and the outside with my Waverly White chalk paint. And I am going in with my white marker, my paint marker from Dollar Tree, and I'm writing Santa, stop here. I also went ahead and painted my paper towel holder white and let that dry. And now I'm just going to get everything put together. This was simple and easy, and it was at Target. When I was going to Target picking up a few things for Christmas, I saw some of their Christmas decor and I thought I can recreate these 3 things at home. So easy, and they are super cute. So after I got everything all painted, I'm going to take this ribbon with the snowflakes on it, and I'm just going to follow the line that's on the paper towel holder and glue that ribbon in a spiral down the paper towel holder. I'm taking some nautical cord and I'm going to glue it to the top and the bottom of the paper towel holder because it's going to give me more surface area to glue this down to the wood slice. And also to glue the wood round, excuse me, to glue the wood round at the top and the little ball. I went ahead and adhered my sign that says Santa stop here. And this one is just about done, you guys. I had to make it my own, so I'm adding some greenery and a bow and some bells. The one at Target did not have that on it. It actually was one that lights up. So you can wrap some lights around the pole of this, around that pole, and light it up if you'd like. I just really like it like this, just kind of rustic and plain, not too much going on. But I think that it comes out really pretty. Here's the finished product, DIY number 1. I added a little snowflake just to tie it in with the snowflakes on the top of that ornament and with the snowflakes that are on the ribbon, and also to tie it in with the other DIYs you'll see in this video today. I love this one, but it's not my favorite. If you want to know which one is, you're going to have to keep watching. As always, comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of the 3 that I'm going to show you today. Moving on to DIY number 2, you're going to need some of this apple barrel forest green paint. I have some brown craft paper that I'm not going to end up using. I have various ribbons from my stash from Hobby Lobby and from Big Lots. I've got some more of the snowflakes, and I have some fabric scraps. I'll be using my white chalk marker, or actually, I think it's more like a Sharpie than a paint pen or a chalk marker. I'll be using that as seen in previous video that I got from Dollar Tree. And I also will be using some cardboard, and I just went ahead and freehanded 3 candy canes, and I got those cut out. Now I'm going to take my fabric and my various ribbons, and I'm just going to wrap the candy canes in the ribbon and in the fabric. Now that I've got my candy canes all wrapped, we're just going to set those to the side. Initially, I thought I would go ahead and paint this sign that I got from Dollar Tree. It's one of their old signs. I've had this in my stash. So I thought I was going to paint it, but then I looked over and I saw my green craft paper from Hobby Lobby, and I thought, oh, this is perfect. I don't have to pull out the paint. I don't have to make a big mess. This is so easy and so fun. And yes, it is my favorite of the 3 that I'm showing you today. So I ended up just using my Jot glue stick, and I just adhered that paper to this backing, which also made it nice because I didn't have to use the brown craft paper to cover it. And then I took my white marker and just wrote, "Oh, what fun." I hot glued my 3 candy canes together, and I'm just tying on this green buffalo check bow, just, for a little more whimsy and fun. And this is, again, a not Walmart, oh my gosh, you guys, a Target dupe. It's definitely my favorite. It was easy. It's just cute. I love it. Cannot wait to put this in my Christmas decor, to put it with all of my other things in my little vignette. So I'm adding some of the snowflakes, the plastic snowflakes. I have been using these all season, and I got these from Joann's. And I'm just going to take my little Sharpie and add some little dots for snowflakes. And it's done. Here's DIY number 2, you guys. This one already has a sawtooth hanger on the back. I mean, it doesn't get any more easy than this. And it's so pretty. It just makes me happy. You guys, if you're enjoying this content, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you're enjoying my content. They push me out a little bit more. My channel grows. Oh, all of the things, you guys. I'm so happy and so blessed to have you guys here. And I hope that you all are going to stick around for a while. Here's DIY number 3 and the final one of this video. I'm starting out with one of these thick wood rounds from Target, which is perfect for this DIY because, again, this is a Target dupe, and this wood round looks almost like the wood round that I'm duping. It didn't have the gold flowers on it, but we're going to work around that. I'll be using some of my snowflakes again. I have this faux leather from Hobby Lobby. I have the red and the green, and I was undecided when I started this video which one I would use, but you'll see which one I ended up choosing. So I simply did a pencil marking of a circle all the way around my wood round using one of the Dollar Tree thin wood rounds to kind of keep my circle straight. And I thought I would be able to use my markers, but they just weren't showing up. So I had to use my Waverly White chalk paint to get this circle around this wood round to get that really crisp look. And it's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but that just adds to the rustic look of it. So here you see me taking my red Sharpie, and I'm just writing North Pole Blend, hot cocoa, served here. This is not food grade safe. As you can see, there's paint on here, there's Sharpie marker on here. If you want it to be food grade safe, you're going to have to seal it. Mine is for decor purposes. I will not be putting food on here. I will not be setting anything on here because I'm not going to seal it. It's just for decor purposes. So I am taking my snowflakes and just placing them, seeing where I want them, and then we'll get them glued down. And of course, you can go ahead and use some spackle or some wood putty or, something like that to fill in those holes at the top where I removed the jute cord. I just left them. I didn't think I was going to be able to paint it exactly like the color of the wood, and I felt like it would stand out more than if I just left it alone. So I did decide to go with green since my lettering is red, and I'm just going to cut out Oh, I don't even know how many inches. I just eyeball everything, you guys. I'm sorry. I just cut out a piece of that and then I folded it over because I wanted it to be green on the front and back. I didn't want that tan felt material underneath to show. And then I'm just using these rustic looking thumbtacks that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and they're easily pounded into the sides. They were easy to pound into the sides of that wood because the wood is soft, and that gave me two decorative handles on, a handle on either side. Again, just decorative. You won't pick it up by the handle or anything like that. I added a little dab of glue to the back just to give it a little more security, and this is how it turned out. I love this. This is really close to the Target tray. Here's the final reveal of everything I've made today. You guys, these are super easy. You saw how easy they were. I love them all, but my favorite's going to have to be those candy canes. Again, you guys, thank you for joining me today. I truly hope that you guys are spending time with friends and family and you're just going to enjoy the holidays and relax and just remember why we're celebrating and why, Christmas is so important to me and my family anyway. And I hope it is to you guys as well. You guys have a beautiful, blessed Christmas. Until I see you in my next one, be blessed, be safe, craft something beautiful today, you guys. Bye.